Hi, today we are going to learn how to share files with individuals and groups in Secure Client Zone. The CM Secure Client Zone creates a safe portal to transfer files to and from your customers. When you purchase Secure Client Zone, you receive the Download Manager plugin as a base to be installed on your site and be used alongside the plugin. Many of the settings for the Download Manager apply to the Client Download Zone plugin. Please refer to the CM Download Manager documentation for an overview of relevant settings. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to create a secure download zone from bottom up. You can apply the same idea to the topic of your site. The client zone is generated using the shortcode Client Download Zone or by going to the default CM download page created by the plugin once installed. You also need to add the widgets for client and admin to your defined sidebar container. The widgets are needed as they include the client zone navigation tools. Navigate to Admin Dashboard, Appearance, Widgets. Add the widgets to the sidebar. If your theme doesn't have a sidebar, that's not a problem. The CM Client Download Zone provides new widget areas called CMCDZ before content and CMCDZ after content. So, even if there is no sidebar, the admin can add those widgets to these areas in order to display the upload options. Setting up Admin Dashboard. You can access the Admin Dashboard by clicking on the link to the Downloads Frontend list found under the plugin settings. The admin can view and download all of the files in the download zone from his dashboard. You can also easily transfer files to specific users or user groups directly from the dashboard. Admins also have access to a list of recently uploaded files. Setting up User Dashboard. Users can access their dashboard at the permalink setting that you define in the plugin settings. First, navigate to Settings, General tab. Under the navigation section, the admin can define the permalink at which logged-in users can access their user dashboard. On their dashboard, users can search, view, preview and download files that have been shared exclusively with them, or that have been shared with user groups to which they belong. Users can also manage and edit their own uploads. All files will appear directly on their dashboard, where users can easily download them by clicking on the Download button or click More to see detailed information or preview. Users can also upload files to share exclusively with the chosen users directly from their dashboard by clicking on Upload File. You can create groups to easily distribute downloads among group of users. First, navigate to CM Download Manager, User Groups. Under Add Group, the admin can create a new user group by giving it a name and assigning group members. To add existing users to the group, you can either search by their name or show all existing users and select which ones you would like to join the new user group. Click the button Add to create the new user group. You will receive a message indicating that your group was added successfully and you will be able to view the group you just created in the list of user groups. The list includes the name of the user group, the number of users in the group, and action buttons that let you easily edit or delete the group. After creating user groups, admins can then set the permissions for each of these groups. The admin can decide which user groups have permission to upload their own files. Navigate to Settings, Access and Moderation tab, Access section. The admin can restrict adding and viewing downloads to specific user groups. If you choose this option from the drop-down menu, you can then select which user groups have the specific permission. Administrators can also grant download authors the option to define which groups are allowed to view individual downloads. In this case, the download author can set the visibility of the download to specific user groups on the new download form. Sending files to specific users. When a client uploads a file, by default it is only viewed by the admin. There are two ways to assign a download to a specific user. First, from the admin dashboard, simply click on the download sign next to the name of the user you would like to send the file to. Second, from the Download Manager dashboard, click on Add New. On the new download form, change the visibility settings to specify the users you would like to transfer the download to. You can select users from a list of all users or search for users. Translating the zone interface. If your site is not in English, that's okay. You can translate the front-end text. Navigate to the Labels tab. Here you can edit all important labels of the plugin, from buttons to headers. Under the Client Download Zone section there is only one label – Access Denied. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create a safe portal to transfer files to and from your users. Thanks for watching the video.